It's not videotaping me, aren't you?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Huh? So, where are we at?
We're in Ocean City. No, we're in Rehoboth. Oh my god, you're talking about Ocean City so much.
And where are we at now?
We're in Grottos.
Getting ready to what?
Eat.
Yeah!
Pizza.
Yummy pizza. Show everyone your sweatshirt. You know you want to. Oh, pretty.
Yes, pretty.
Now you take the camera and I'll show everyone my sweatshirt.
It's gorgeous.
Shh, you're jealous.
Oh yes.
Why did I have it folded?
The fine art of folding.
I can't fold.
Amazing.
Magic trick. I feel like an adult.
Oh really?
Because we're here in Rehoboth all alone. And we skipped school today too. Okay, I'll take you now.
I wish the waiter was with you.